Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all well and doing great. Here in this video I am sharing very stylish and trendy collection of summer flat and heel sandals. All sandals are very pretty and available online also. Friends, if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for channel notification. If you like these designs, please thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family on social media networks like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, etc. These designs are also available in markets all over the world very easily because these designs are in fashion nowadays. Wedge style, and there you see different types of chunky styles of heels with different lengths: block heel design, wedge heel design, and pencil heel design. All different types of heel designs are also included here in this collection, and flat sandals are best for casual wear and office wear. Snakeskin printed sandal design is hot favorite design. Peep-toe style slingback design with mid block heel looks so stylish and elegant. Animal printed sandals like tiger print, leopard print, and snakeskin prints are used to design the sandals in all brands. With the help of these collection, you can get the ideas regarding these footwear, that which type of designs are in fashion and which sorts of designs are very popular, and when you see the styles and comfortability blend, this is one of the best collection. I am sure you love to see different types of low heel and mid heel designs, so this is one of the requested video. Very simple, decent and comfortable but stylish type of footwear designs are included here. Basically these are all dress sandals. Such types of sandals are best for creating unique type of styles in your personalities. Low heel designs are best for casual wear and long heel designs are best for formal occasions. These are very soft and comfortable, so these are perfect fit for all age group ladies. Slingback with chunky styles of heels is one of the popular design. I am sure that you will also find one of the pair out of this collection which will be according to your choice and taste. Long heel designs are very attractive and beautiful. Brown and blue colors are also very attractive colors, and these are those colors which you can keep for your formal wear and office wear too. Friends, if you want to ask something or suggest something regarding this collection or anything else, then you can use comment section for this matter. This is the only way which you can use to connect with me and show your presence here. Double strip slingback design wedge heel looks so stylish and elegant. Different eye-catching colors and very comfortable and stylish types of those designs which you love to see. Pure leather made different types of these flat and heeled sandals you are watching here with animal and floral prints or plain designs and decent colors. I hope you can feel the comfortability and softness of these leather sandals too. These are all those designs which you can keep for your casual wear and formal wear both. Nowadays, every brand trying to design their footwears with different types of accessories like pearls, beads, stones, and flowers. These are most favorite designs of girls and ladies. These designs are also available in markets all over the world very easily. The best features of brown and black footwear is that it is best perfect fit with all outfits. Floral printed sandals designs is hot favorite designs nowadays. See, different colors and styles are perfect for your lifestyle, especially for young ladies. Although this is one of the collection which is fit for all age group ladies, this is one of the best collection. See, different types of very attractive color and blend of different colors you are watching here in this video, and this is one of the stunning collection. If you like such types of designs which are according to your taste, and also you can see different types of heels designs which are very popular all over the world among ladies. In this collection you will see all different types of those heels designs which are very practical, very comfortable, stylish and popular. So that's why I am sharing this beautiful collection with you people too, so that you also come to know about these all designs which are in fashion and according to your choice. Different types of wedge style, platform soles, slip resistant soles, slingback sandals and multi-strap sandals you will see here. Guys, if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe for more such kind of beautiful, informative and updated collections of footwears and dress designing. If you like these designs, please thumbs up for this video and share this collection with your friends and family on social media networks like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Thank you so much for watching this video.